A dark brown, reddish brown cap and the pores are orange to red. This is a new species of mushroom to me.
Een heksenroorling. In het Nederlands
Scarletina BOLETE.
Ja, dankjewel.
Yep. It's also called the red-foot bolete or the dotted-stemmed bolete. Here we can see that the yellow flesh is turning blue, dark blue to black in a minute, in a couple of seconds. That looks very poisonous, but don't worry, it is a very well edible mushroom. So here we go, first time eating this mushroom, that's quite exciting. And let's see if I survive.
Die zijn echt lekker.
Yeah, it's really good, I said. So we found them after that more often. If there is a single maggot in there, I don't care. It shouldn't be too much though. And we should bake it at least 6 minutes. Yeah, I have a pot of baked mushrooms with paprika and that I put in the freezer. Here again, the good pieces and they're the rubbish with a little bit too much maggots. And we bake it again, fry it again in the pan. So this species, Neoboletus luridiformis, in the past Boletus erythropus, grows in deciduous forests under beeches and oaks, and also in coniferous woodland. It prefers acid soils. You can see that in the pan the blue color disappears and turns into a nice golden brown that looks way more delicious, don't you think? Yeah. So the caps of these mushrooms, they grow up to 20 centimeters wide. So here we go, no salt, no pepper, just the plain mushroom.
No salt, no pepper.
Yeah. And it is very well edible when cooked properly and tasting mild. But if you eat it raw, then it causes stomach problems. And here we have an original way, a weird way of preserving that stuff. I have a ready sauce for the pasta sauce, and I mix it with the mushroom pieces that I baked. And I hope that the preservatives in the sauce also preserve the mushrooms, and that worked out very well. I wouldn't keep it longer than 2 months, but after 1 month here with some porridge and leek and some turkey meat, I put it in the pan again with some black rice, and I can really tell you that was a success. That was a really delicious and easy dish. So that's quite an easy way if you have a lot of these Scarletina boletes to keep it for a couple of weeks. So I told already that I spoiled already that it was very delicious. It can be confused, the species, with the poisonous Satan's bolete. At least that is written on internet. This, however, has a much paler color, light gray to whitish on the body. So it is a little bit of a riddle to me how people can be confused about that. Here I drink a little bit of homemade walnut port wine with it. Also that video you can find on the Zoo Wild YouTube channel. So, and here we're gonna freeze some good pieces of this bolete. There's another bolete, the lurid bolete, yeah. You can be confused with, but that's also edible. So no worries, except for with the lurid bolete you should not drink alcohol. You might get a little bit of stomach problems. So we have frozen a little bit of the Scarletina bolete, again turkey meat and some vegetables and then some white rice. It again looks delicious, but to be honest, it was not the most tasteful dish I ever had. So at the end, you don't see that in the video, I put some sweet and sour sauce with it to make it delicious. But the mushroom itself has a really nice mild taste. So in the end, you will see some fried egg with the mushroom. And I would just say I hope you liked the video and see you in the next Zoo Wild YouTube. Till then, bye bye.